In this video, our WLToys 144001 gets a whole host of upgrades. Welcome, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. If you're new to the channel, what you'll find here is a whole bunch of crawling, drifting, bashing, racing, plus product review videos and how-tos. And the last time this WLToys 14401 was on the channel, we were at the skate park. Ended pretty quickly, did not get a lot of footage out of it. Ended up pulling one of the screws out of the plastic diff case. So we have an aluminum diff case in order to slide in there. We have the front and rear hinge pin holders for it to keep that secure. While we're at it, we have aluminum hexes just to make sure all that is good. We're going to throw some more aggressive off-road tires on it. And just in case we need it, we actually got the full kit of front and rear metal diffs, drive shaft, spur gear, and pinion, all in case we need to upgrade that while we're at it. Now the main issue we had when we were doing this is this front hinge pin holder actually pulled the screw straight out of that diff case. And so that's the first thing that we're going to be doing today is undoing these top two screws up here that hold this plate on, plus the screws at the bottom, and this whole rear diff case plus shock tower, everything should come back, and we will replace this diff case assembly with our upgrades plus the hinge pin holders, put that whole piece back together. And just like that, we now have a fully upgraded rear end of this buggy, all aluminum diff case. We got the upgraded drive shaft in there with the metal gear on it. Now what you'll notice is the red pin plates, I did not put those in the front. Honestly, it felt a little bit like a waste if I wasn't going to be replacing that metal front diff case also. So that's one thing I really wish I had done. I wish I'd gone ahead and gotten two of these metal diff cases so that I could have put one in the front also. And then I would have gone ahead and also spent the time to go ahead and put the metal pin covers front and rear on that. And then that whole thing would have just been solid. Wish I would have gone ahead and done that. But I'm really liking the look of this. Definitely should be stronger than what it was before. So I'm really happy to get out there and get this tested and see how it does now. Other thing of note with this upgraded aluminum diff case is that it doesn't come with a provision that the factory case does here. So this factory case comes with a provision for what looks like a sway bar kit. Come with a little plate here, the hole through it where the sway bar would go. This diff case does not come with that, so that is a word of warning. If you use a sway bar setup, or if you think you want one, the aluminum diff case will not allow that. Now the next step is the upgraded tires, wheels, Hexes. So we're gonna get these old tires off and we're gonna put these Hexes on and get the wheels on. All right, and just like that, check it out. Buggy is looking great. Upgrades are on it. New wheels and tires are on it. So we need to get out and give them a shot. So we need to figure out what's next for this buggy, because we're supposed to be taking it to the track. Supposed to be taken to the skate park, and we did, but I don't feel like it really got a fair shake at the skate park. I think there's more fun to be had there. So we still have, I think we need a return trip to the skate park. We also have a trip to either our indoor carpet track or our off-road dirt track in the future. We gotta go there and have some fun with this buggy. So stay tuned, more fun to happen. In the meantime, please come over here, check out some other videos we've already made. All the support you give to the channel is really, really appreciated. It really is. I really appreciate every bit of it. So come over here, check out some other videos, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.